Hey guys, how's it going? Bailey Blacks and we do cars. And this is the top 5 cars for under £25,000 that will make you look like a baller. Hashtag baller alert. And before we get started with today's video, we are looking for 20,000 likes. So hit that like button and click on the little tackle bell icon to subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos and news. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the Aston Martin Vantage 4.3 V8 two-door. Original listing price of about 60,000 Great Royal British pounds. Now in the UK market, you could get a fairly decent one for around 20 to 23,000. Now that may still seem like a lot of money. However, what you are getting is the pedigree of Aston Martin blood flowing through your veins. With 380 brake horsepower and 470 pounds per foot of torque, it's a mover. And let's be honest, it's an Aston Martin, so we'll definitely turn heads. In and at position 4 is the Italian Mafia, the Maserati Granturismo 4.2 V8 Auto 2-door EU4. Let's not forget that this has a Ferrari engine at the heart of it. Admittedly, it's not a Ferrari body, so that kind of sucks, but let's stay on the positive side of things. It's the best of breed. With 399 brake horsepower, a monster sound startup and exhaust. Now for all of this car, including the say it with your chest status, I've got money in the bag status, it starts in and around the UK market for around 18 to 20,000 pounds. I mean, a deal or what? Okay, in third spot, for all of you people who one day desire to be treated as Lord or Lady of the Manor, then this one is for you. The almighty hiatus Bentley Continental. Now let's address the elephant in the room here. When we talk about Bentley, we need to recognize that you don't simply say Bentley. I mean, that would be ridiculous. What are we now, animals? First of all, you need to put some real respect on this name. It's the Bentley. Example, Squire, would you mind fetching the Bentley? Anyway, with the epitome manner of estate, the Bentley can be purchased from £9,000 to £15,000 in the UK. Now, a bargain or what? Considering that this car started at around £110,000. In and at second place is the German engineered Porsche Cayman 2.7 987 2-litre, packing a whopping 295 brake horsepower and a top speed of 170 miles per hour. I mean, it's a thing of absolute beauty out here. Plus, I know deep down, when it comes down to it, it's got to start. Some of you might disagree, and that's okay. You know, it doesn't really match the caliber of what's on the list today. However, the price in the UK starts from around £9,000 to £11,000. Last but not least, it's the monster, the bi-turbo DCT 2-door 425 brake horsepower 0 to 62 in 4.2 seconds, introducing the BMW M4 3-litre. Top speed 155 miles per hour. And even though this car may not be the most exotic in the list, I'm sure if you pulled up against any one of these cars in the traffic lights, it would be a photo finish. Prices starting in the UK around £18,000 to £22,000, which is a great price for the M4 Juggernaut. And as I've mentioned, German engineering, you can't go wrong, guys. This I'm sure will impress your friends, family, and of course random strangers. We have sadly come to the end of the video. However, if you liked what you've seen today, check out our other videos and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Till the next time, Bailey Blacks, over and out.